Hey guys, thanks for watching the first part of the video, but stay tuned because we have a second part where we'll tell you all about what the pathway of becoming an engineer will look like.
So, what does a pathway of becoming an engineering look like? Let's pass it over to Dee.
Thanks, Lava. So, before we tell you the pathway of how to become an engineer, you'd have to know what subjects are important for you to excel in. Ideally, you need to be good in maths at either maths, pure maths, physics, biology, and chemistry. And not to rule out that English is also an important subject for you to excel in, because if you want to study or work overseas, you know that that's the first language that they speak. Right now, you might not know if engineering is the pathway for you yet, but if you're someone who has these qualities, then engineering might be the pathway for you. You'd have to know that there are 4 core branches of engineering, which is civil engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, and electrical engineering. So, how do each of these core branches of engineering contribute to society? Now, civil engineers gave us clean water and the transportation groundwork, like roads, bridges, enabling us to trade within our neighboring nations. Mechanical engineers gave us cars, trains, boats, and airplanes, allowing us to travel at great distances. Chemical engineers turned raw materials into giving us access to food, clothing, medication, and items for everyday use. Electrical engineers provided us with reliable, affordable, and environmentally friendly energy, including freeing women from manually working on household chores. Hey Lava, how can students determine which engineering major is right for them?
Whoa! Thanks, Dee. So, how do you determine which engineering major is right for you? It all depends on you. If you're planning to become a specialist and a licensed engineer, then you should take a main core engineering major because you'll learn more in depth about this field. According to engineer Ashari bin Muhammad Yaakob, who previously was an executive director at the Board of Engineers Malaysia, it's advisable to take a core engineering major. But if you're planning to not become a licensed engineer and are interested to learn 2 different majors under one program, generally you can take a hybrid route. Do bear in mind that with hybrid engineering programs, you will only learn the basics of engineering. So, what about career prospects? For engineers, the world is your oyster. The list of opportunities are endless. As a civil engineer, you create, sustain vital infrastructure like bridges, skyscrapers, and eco-friendly transportation networks for modern-day society. Mechanical engineers innovate and maintain machinery from vehicles and industrial equipment to cutting-edge medical devices shaping our world's mechanical systems. Whew, Dee, I'm tired. Can you please talk more about the next 2 points?
Okay, let me continue. In electrical engineering, you create and manage electrical systems, circuits, and devices that power our lives, from renewable energy to microprocessor-based computers that drive the digital age. Now, if transformation excites you, you can consider chemical engineering. It's the alchemy of turning raw materials into valuable products like clothing, food, medication, and sustainable plastics. To pique your curiosity even more, here are some celebrities who pursued engineering programs. Rowan Atkinson, or famously known as Mr. Bean, took electrical engineering at Newcastle University. Ashton Kutcher, the famous Hollywood actor from the 70s show, took biochemical engineering. And Cindy Crawford, a world-renowned supermodel, now she took chemical engineering too. And our own famous rookie actor from the local TV show Project High Council, Amirul Aiman, who took mechanical engineering at Unicel. Okay, so the challenges we face globally, from climate change to technological advancements, call for a new generation of problem solvers, innovators, and architects of change. But you know, engineering isn't just a field of study. It's actually a call to action. And it's about making a difference, leaving a lasting impact to create a world where innovation meets opportunity. Now, your journey as an engineer isn't just a pathway. It's actually an adventure to be explored.
So, if you're curious, passionate, and ready to embrace the challenges and embrace the future, then engineering is your canvas. It's your chance to shape, create, inspire, and engineer the world for a brighter tomorrow.
That's right. So, you want to find out what each different engineering disciplines mean and consist of? Follow us on our social channels and stay tuned for part 2.